Hi guys, today I'm doing my bit. I'm doing a bit of social distancing, what with this coronavirus. Talking of that, I hope you're all well and keeping safe. Today no one's about. I'm quite remote and I'm going to do a little bit of camera techniques using the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal and some manual transitional things. Okay, what I'm going to try is a manual transition. So first thing I want to do is lock in the brightness and exposure of this current open space. I do that by pressing, and bear with me. So I've now locked in the exposure. So what I'm going to do now is put it in front of a close object so it becomes dark, and then we'll start recording and see what the transition is. Okay, the brightness and exposure levels didn't change during that, so we'll now do the opposite and go from an open area into a dark area. For this one I'm going to try a dolly shot into the shrubbery here and hopefully come out back onto the path. We'll see how that goes. Next I'm going to try a low level dolly shot, but this time using the Note 10 camera software, which will utilise the depth camera, so hopefully we'll get a different sort of look on that. So we'll try that now. For this one I'm going to try a low level walking shot, basically taking a shot of my feet as I'm walking away, low level. Don't know how this is going to turn out. I'll see what happens. Let's give it a go. Right, this time I'm going to do the same, but moving towards the camera, and so you'll see my feet shot in front. Okay guys, that's my half an hour daily exercise, which has been advised by the UK government. So I'm now going back indoors and being safe. So you all take care and be safe, and we'll see you through the other end of this. See you for now, bye.